Hello teacher, today I'm going to describe the beautiful and lively culture of Cali, Colombia, and city known as the world capital of salsa. Cali is a colorful, happy, and exciting place where people are always ready to dance and celebrate. One of the most famous Massachusetts event is the Feria de Cali which takes place every December. During this amazing festival, the streets are full of sparkling lights, music, and wide age. People dance with great emergency. The loud salsa music fills the air, and the railing makes everyone feel delightful and alive. Cali people are friendly, kind, and proud of their tradition. They love sharing their delicious and French food like chicken, steak, fish, pie, fruit, and lulada. These dishes has a strong, sweet, and nutrition flavor that represent the world of their culture. The city's hot and sunny weather, along with its beautiful, old-fashioned, and elegant architecture, makes Cali a unique and adorable place to visit. I choose Cali's culture because it's happy, colorful, and wonderful. It shows the brave, lively, and zealous spirit of the Colombian people. When I think about Cali, I feel thankful and proud to belong to such a vibrant and charming culture. Thank you, teacher, for listening.